In this tutorial, we are going to model step by step this mechanical coupling using SolidWorks. Before we get into it, if you are new to this channel and you are interested in tutorials in SolidWorks, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any upload, and leave a like on this video. If you need more tutorials in SolidWorks and Siemens NX, make sure to check out the videos on my channel so we can learn together. Now let's get right into it. Now these dimensions and views are going to guide us in order to model this part. So in the SolidWorks window, click on New, and you're modeling a part, so click on Parts and click OK. And this will take us to the modeling window. So this is how we are going to start off. We are first going to create this middle cylinder here. And then we add these two cylinders, top and below it. And then we cut out the parts that we need. And we'll be done with modeling this coupling. So let's first create the middle cylinder. And it's a circle of diameter 70 millimeters. And then you extrude downwards by 20 millimeters. So click on the extruded balls or base, and you're going to make the sketch on the top plane. So click on it. Then draw a circle. And the circle should have a diameter of 70 millimeters. And click on exit. So we want to make the cylinder symmetric on every angle. So come to the direction 1 and click on mid plane. And you extrude by 20 millimeters. So we extrude 10 millimeters to the top and 10 millimeters bottom so that this coupling will be symmetric. So click on it. Next, you draw the two cylinders on top of it too. So the cylinder should have a diameter of 30 millimeters and we extrude to a height of 10 millimeters. So again, click on extruded boss base and click on this face. Now draw a circle of diameter 30 millimeters. Click on exit. So you extrude upwards by a distance of 10 millimeters and click OK. Now I want to get the same part down here. So the best thing to do is to mirror it. So click on the mirror and the mirror face or plane. Come to this arrow here, click on it, and the mirror plane should be the top plane. And the features to mirror, click on this feature here and click OK. So you can see the part has been mirrored to the bottom here. And this is why we extruded this middle cylinder using the mid plane method so that we can mirror exactly over here. Next, we cut inside. So the cut should have a diameter of 20 millimeters. So click on the extruded cut and click on this face. So we draw a circle of diameter 20 millimeters. Click on exit. Now we are cutting to the last edge here. So come to the direction 1 and click on through all and click OK. This is what we have. Next, we are going to make the cuts. So we have a guide circle which has a diameter of 55 millimeters. So we first sketch it. So click on sketch, click on this face. I will draw a circle of diameter 55 millimeters. And click on exit sketch. And this will be just a guideline so we can draw the holes and the cuts over here. So let's first make this cut, and this will be a slot. So make sure this sketch is not selected and click on extruded cut and click on this face. Now you have to make it normal to our face so we can see it well and sketch the slot. So click on this sketch here. There will be a pop-up menu and click on normal too. So we use the slots feature, the straight slots feature here. And the vertical line inside the slot starts from the circumference of the outer circle to the circumference of the guide circle inside here. So locate this point here, click on it, and make a straight line here and draw the slot. So the slot should have a diameter of 10, hence a radius of 5. So we Dimension the radius of this arc here as 5 millimeters. Now the sketch is fully defined. Click on Exit Sketch. And we're extruding to the last end here, so the direction 1 should be up to next, and click OK. And we have to get the same slots on 3 different sides, so there can be 4 slots. So the best thing to do is to pattern it. And we use a circular pattern feature. The features to pattern: rotate the model or the sketch, rotate the object, and click on this extrude cut. The direction to pattern should be the outer circle here. Click on it and make sure that you have 4 parts in total. And the angle of patterning should be 360 degrees, and click OK. The last thing we are going to do is to cut these 4 circles also. So in a similar way, we draw 1 circle and pattern it so we can have 4 circles in total. So again, click on the extruded cut and click on this face. And then we make it normal to our face. We are going to sketch this hole here. So with the circle tool and on the circumference of the guide circle, draw a circle. And the diameter of the circle should be 10. So all of them 4 by 10 millimeters. So we have to make sure that the midpoint of this circle is at a distance of 20 millimeters from the midpoint of the outer circles here. So again, with the smart dimension, click on this point, and the vertical dimension should be 20 millimeters. And our sketch is fully defined, so click on Exit Sketch. And then again, we're extruding through all, so make sure the direction is set to up to next and click OK. Now we have to pattern it 3 additional times. So click on the circular pattern again, and the feature to pattern, click on this hole. We are patterning so that you can have 4 holes in total and a pattern angle of 360 degrees. And the direction of patterning should click on this arc here and click OK. Now give it an isometric view. And then you can hide this guide circle. We don't need it. Click on it and hide. And yeah, that's how to model this mechanical coupling using SolidWorks. I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notification so you do not miss any upload. And leave a like on this video if it helps you out. Now let me know in the comments if you have any problems in SolidWorks, and I'll be glad to help. I'll see you in the next tutorial.